My name is Paul Locke. I'm a DJ producer from North Wales, and my genre of music is new disco. I've released quite a few tracks, but recently the two labels that I've been releasing on are Deep Emotion Recordings and Deep Strips Records. I can vaguely remember releasing my first track in 2011, I think. And I didn't do anything for like a year after that. I decided to go travelling, and I did that for a year. Went all around Southeast Asia, New Zealand. I think I made about 2 tracks the whole time I was away in like 9 months. But when I came home, I met somebody and we ended up having twins. And that was a big challenge because I had to put the music on hold for a little bit. It was very hard to juggle it all. The main thing was just lack of sleep, really, I think, and that was stopped me from wanting to even try and spend like an hour in the studio. I think that had a bit of a mental block with my music at the time. How do I juggle family life, working full time, and a totally different genre of music? I haven't got much time to spend on making this music, and when I'm making it, I'm not finishing it. And then I'm just starting, every time I get a spare bit of time, I'm starting another track. Nothing's ever getting released. Like, I've had all these tracks that have been released. Where's my next tunes? They're not getting released. They're just sitting on my hard drive and they're about a minute long. And it's frustrating, and it is demotivating. You just want to get to the state of mind where you're finishing music and you've got a release to look forward to at the end of it. When I first heard about FMM, I was really, really excited. It was just what I really needed to hear, because it was the perfect time, because I knew it was going to be a big challenge, what I wanted to do with my music. And I thought to myself, if there's one person that can help me with that, it's Keith, because he'd helped me before in the past. So I was really, really, just over the moon about it, really. One of the biggest hurdles that I had was trying to get my tracks from the initial idea to the arrangement stage. It's just the pressure to have a quality track, and you think, I don't want to start arranging something that's not quality, because the end product's not going to be quality. So you kind of get stuck in this loop of where, I'll just keep trying to change this, I'll keep trying to change that, maybe I'll just, try a different bass line, I'll try this compressor on that. But really, until you start arranging it, you don't know what elements are going to work in the track. Because you could have this loop and the bass line's amazing in it, and you think, yeah, and then like you'll come to your arrangement, you'll do the first breakdown, you'll do this like, I don't know, like a filter sweep or whatever to go into the first drop, and then the bass line just falls flat. And you think, why have I just spent 2 weeks perfecting that bass line in that loop when it doesn't even work anyway until you get to the arrangement? It's just overcoming that, really, I think. My favourite feature in FMM is definitely the IED. I love it. Because whenever I'm working on a track and I've been stuck on it for a few nights or something, and then I'm thinking, I know I've got a deadline to beat this, but I just can't get over that little bit that I've been stuck on for a few nights. And I'll just send it to Keith, and then he'll send me a video back, and his advice is always awesome. And it just pushes me to finish the track. Going from relatively smaller labels to the bigger labels was quite a leap, but the thing that gave me the confidence to do it was being part of FMM and putting my tracks up in the members event. That's what gave me the confidence to do it, because I was getting such good comments on there from people and stuff, and I thought, if I don't try one of these tracks and send it, I'm never going to try. So obviously I did it, I sent it to Deep Strips, which was like mind-blowing when they said yes. But then from doing that, the amount of pressure I had then to like finish the next track was even harder, I think. It was just, I've taken this leap from here to here, and now that I'm here, where do I go now? Do I go up there, or do I go back down here? It's like, it was tough, but I just like rode it out and just kept finishing stuff, and the quality just started getting like that little bit better every time. The progress that I've had now, I never would have seen that, so I don't think I'd be signed on the labels that I've had my most recent tune signed to if it wasn't for FMM and the help that I've had through it, really. So I'll probably still be spending most days on my music, but not finishing it. I'll still be in that stage where I'm just tweaking that bass line, which is somewhere like, that's a place that you just don't want to be, because it's just not fun. being part of FMM's helped me to move forward from that and actually just, yeah, like as it says on the tin, finish more music. It's so much more fun when you finish that track and that record label says, yeah, I love that tune. That's the place that you want to be. And it's lovely to have your little 3-year-olds dancing to your music in your kitchen as well. To know that I've put all that time and effort in to finish them tracks and they've been signed and the record labels love them, it's just an ecstatic feeling really.